Supplier shortages hit plumbing businesses hard because they slow down job completion, drive up material costs, and force companies to either delay projects or scramble for pricier alternatives, which eats into profit and frustrates customers waiting on repairs. They give it like this: a plumber needs certain parts to finish a job, like pipes, fittings, water heaters, or specific valves. When the factories that make these parts run low or shipping gets backed up, the plumber cannot get what they need on time. This means a customer might be told a repair will take 2 days, but it turns out to take 2 weeks because the part is stuck somewhere far away. Something most people do not know is that many plumbing supplies come from just a handful of manufacturers. So if even one factory has a problem, it affects plumbers all over the country at the same time. A smart move for any plumbing business is to build relationships with multiple suppliers instead of relying on just one, because having backup options means less waiting around when shortages hit. Another helpful trick is keeping a small stock of the most commonly used parts on hand, since those are usually the ones that run out first. One common mistake plumbing businesses make is waiting until they are almost out of a part before reordering, which leaves no cushion when a shortage suddenly happens, so ordering earlier and tracking inventory closely really helps. Another misconception is thinking that all suppliers raise prices equally during a shortage, but pricing can vary a lot, so shopping around and comparing quotes can save real money. People also assume shortages only affect big commercial jobs, but even small residential repairs can get delayed, so communicating honestly with customers about possible wait times builds trust and avoids frustration. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.